This is evidence. This is real evidence and facts. This is a reference video, case 05-24-01363 CV against Carlos Jimenez Gonzalez. A lot of lawyers, MAS law firm, Progressive Insurance, Thompson Law Firm in 298th Court, Dallas, Texas. That's a real drunk. I just caught him after the wreck. He failed to use turn signals, was texting, drinking, and driving, wrecked my vehicle, almost killed me, and it's affecting me to this day. That's a beer bottle right there. That's a fact. He was drinking. I caught him. So all this is going against all the people. It's additional parties added. I'm going to say as many of them as I can right now, and I'll rewind the video. You can watch it again. These are facts. I have to do it because the people are wrong in the courts. The judges and the lawyers really are, and it's not right. But there's evidence right there. You can't get any more than that except go to him and put him in prison. That's it. Make Progressive, make him pay everything, and all the lawyers that were wrong. That's the beer bottle right there in the center of the screen. And I'm going to go ahead and explain for a while the 20 people more than that are wrong is the judge, Emily Tebolowski, made a bad decision saying I didn't have evidence, and the lawyer, Nick Vincent, was wrong. He lied all the way through the hearing. That drunk did not show up in court. That there's laws that they're doing it wrong. Really, the system is wrong, and I'm going to explain it by stating that I have to cite, which I'm doing, citing reporters' records, which I have facts, striking the entire record because the CSR Jennifer Jacobs 8809 operates with an expired license. I'm going to show you right here. So what the courts are asking me to do is wrong, but everything is going in my favor, and what's really wrong is they're going against me. Like, I'm not writing right, my brief isn't right, and this isn't right. And I'm like, you just saw the evidence. You can't do that, right? So here we go. This is more facts and evidence than what you just saw. That's a sample of a letter, right, from the Fifth Court of Appeals. And the lawyers lied. I'm going to show you an example that just came in. Like, this is real. What I'm doing is I'm doing the thing that's right for me. These are all lies. This is a real reporter's record. There's no time. It never said the time it started. As a matter of fact, right now, this is official. I'm citing reporter's record. This is officially called citing to reporter's record. And what's wrong is I'm going to have to write it in hand and maybe go to computer and print. Number one, RT, you write it, and I put the time. There's no time on this date. That's page 1, reporter's record, line 1 to 25. There's 6 pages. There's no time on this. Appearance index is wrong. Right here. Index is not in alphabetical order. See? Adjournment is up there. And that's a liar. The lawyer does not have the right number to him, and he's withholding 2 other addresses for Minor Labor Matt, Hoffland, Del Val, San Antonio, and Houston. Right here, I got more lies, page 4, citing, this is official, I'm citing to reporter's record, right here. Page 4, line 11 to 25. He lied about me and responding and my acts that are right with going forward on this and what I turned into the courthouse and judges. And he lied about this responses from me not being there. And there's a deliberate act. I'll show you a letter they sent lying to me saying the hearing was November 4th, a trial jury. He lied about representation. And the main thing right here is evidence. You just saw it. I just showed it to you. And he lied and said that he sent me a notice in motion. Now, right here, these are all entire lies, all 6 pages. And the 6th page right there shows an expired license, May 31st, 2024. Now, apparently this was done 9/27, right? Okay. So you can't do that. That's breaking the law. That's violating the law. Now I'm going to show you more. You have to look at evidence and facts. You have to look at facts and evidence. You have to look at reality. And this is major evidence. This is a lie. Somebody did this on purpose. And actually, you could put them in prison because it has the judge's and lawyer's name. So this is a jury trial 11, right there, 11-4. And they lied to me and went behind my back and committed crimes against me in a hearing. They never notified me. They lied and said this was the day, November 4th. So what's wrong is I caught them in crimes, period, lying, right? And sending false information and deceptive reality evidence, man, papers and letters, right? And I'm even going to show you more than that. So that's major evidence, as in the wreck itself is major. You can't do that and get away with it, right? So more I'm going to show, which is right for me. I'll show you the evidence, which is major, of the wreck again, because it really is real. This really happened. And you can't say that he failed, that he didn't fail using turn signals. You can't say that, because he did, because I was there and I caught him right after the wreck. And I was clean and sober. I was going to the VA at 175 South. There he is. It's a real drunk. Carlos Jimenez Gonzalez. And what's right, my objective is right. My cover letter, title page, introduction is I want all these people's property, money, and to send them to prison forever. He almost killed me, and I'm affected right now to this day, and it's getting worse, right? That really happened. So I'm going to go ahead and finish it and do another video so that makes sense, because you're looking at more evidence than you're looking at as much evidence as possible, period. This is real facts, and I'll show you more. And I'm saying what I'm going to do, and I'm actually doing it. And this is more evidence. This is how bad. These are people I want all the property and money. MAS Law Firm. Right after the wreck, I got the drunk on video. You saw it. That's a fact. It's evidence it really happened. I also went to Thompson Law. Don't ever go to them. They're going to lie to you. And without permission, they sent my case. That's the original number, 211-396. And they went behind my back. I never gave permission. It went to liars on my side. And they really did. They lied to me. That guy threatened me. And these are real attacks and assaults that actually happened in a court of law and reality, and threats and terroristic threats and going towards violence. Jeffrey Daniel Shelton, Robin Meserland, and Carrie Tate. And this all really happened, and I actually have recordings. See, these are real people that committed real crimes against me. That's why I'm putting it now in here. And to make sense to you is there's nothing I did wrong. I was almost killed. So when I went to the lawyer, they screwed me over more than you'll ever know, and I'm proving it, right? By the lies on the letters and the lies on the emails and it's negligence. It's false it's misrepresentations, and it's false lying to me, man. And who knows what else they really did behind my back, the judges and the lawyers and the money they made and the lies and all that, right? So as much as I can, it's right for me to expose them as much as I can right now, and then to have to do another video and another video with more evidence and more evidence, because this son of a bitch committed a crime against me. He's out there. He's going to kill your family and you, right? You don't know that. What are you doing letting him go out there? I did everything I could, turned him in, right? But this is even more. that nobody should have to go through. And this is the lawyers, and I'm right. They're satanic. That's Robin, Ivy, Amy, Miserly Anna, Jeff Daniel, Shelton, Kerry Tate, CSR. We'll go about a minute, but this I caught them doing wrong. They further violated all my rights. You saw the wreck. These are not real, good people. These are fucking evil people, man. They're not helping you, dude. They're gonna lie to you like they did me. They're gonna do everything they can against you like they did me. And you're going to lose all your money and all your time and all your property like I did. So that's Robin, Micheline. We got to send him to prison. Jeff Shelton, I caught him. And this is Kerry Tate coming up in the second year. That's Kerry Tate. So I caught him in the act. That's a fact.